restream chat. Okay. No, we can update restream later. Cool. So now let's see remark plugins, and I'm going to take the two plugins that we built yesterday and split them out into new plugins. Yes, no. Let's see. Command blocks. Redactable. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna split them out as two different plugins because I think that makes sense. So we can say git status or nwb. Let's see, new web module, and we're going to say remark-utf8. Sure, yeah, cool. And we go into remark-utf8 and git status. Awesome. So we take, how do we do this? Okay, I'm going to open the project, go to random coding. Let's see, remark, where are we? Why did I create this? Move remark-utf8 to // remark-utf8, and we open it here. Remark-utf8, wonderful, and we're going to open index.js. Okay, now let's see, copy // markdown to tweet. We're going to copy the tests folder to tests here, and we're going to copy markdown to tweet source. We had Unicode transformer and UTF. Unicode transformer goes to tests, and then CP markdown to tweet source UTF8 transform goes to source index.js, and we move the incorrect copy from tests to source. Okay, now we cool, so that's our index.js. Set it to React mode because that's what I like. Set this to click-through mode. Now I can click through, which is pretty cool. So we have emphasis, strong, and inline code, which get transformed italic, bold, and inline code. And we take tests and code. Great. So we take all of this stuff. Okay, and let's say yarn. Oh, we have to add, what do we have to add? Let's go to GitHub and look up dwellers math. No, that's the wrong one. Markdown to tweet. Cool. Source, no, yes, no, package JSON, and we say what? So yarn add, we're going to need remark and remark. So we need remark and unist util visit. At least I think we need remark. Do we actually need remark? We don't need fetch mock. Okay, so we're gonna have to actually change the way our tests work. Because we're now exporting just the plugin itself. So let's see. Okay, now gotta rewrite our tests. So we are importing UTF-8 from source index, and we import remark from remark, and we say remark use UTF-8 dot how are we doing it in markdown to tweet? Let's see. So use strip process, no. Let's push the latest git push origin markdown. Git push origin master. Okay. So UTF-8 string, okay. So lib italic, or rather use UTF-8 process italic, and we want function error and output, and we want to say const result equals output dot contents, and we want those to equal italic with a new line at the end, and let's see if that works. So yarn test watch, let's hope that one passes. Wrong thing, cd dot slash remark utf8, and nwb config, we say, what did we say here? Karma needs to use Karma browsers Chrome. Okay, and then now we call it test watch. Perfect, so that works. Now let's do the other ones. So we take all of this, all of this stuff. So describe bold it. Yes, Ridari, I am in fact running everything on a MacBook Pro. Why do you ask? Done. Okay, so does bold pass? Bold needs to equal bold \n. Oh, come on. Oh, it converts bold into UTF-8 bolds. Done. Blah. Like that. Does that work? Yep, that passes. And here we're going to say this. It converts code. Bam. Okay. \n. So 1080p is actually pretty good unless I'm also recording with Camtasia. So this is actually pretty good. I used to stream in 4K and that was not great for my CPU. Git status and we add dot and we say git commit -a-m. What should we call this? We are port implementation from Markdown to Tweet repo. Cool. One of the new Mac Minis. Are they super powerful? Because I thought the iMacs were the powerful ones. Should we add strike through text? Let's add strike through. Strike through. So pop-up, strike pop-up into strike through font. Pop-up, strike pop-up, and let's get yay text. Strike through, and we say strike this one, and like that. Or do we want this one? Long strike through seems to look better to me. Whoa. i7 8 core, is that the mini or the iMac? Okay. I'm not sure what to do about the poor video quality, Srikar. It's running at 1080p and that's about as much as I can handle right now. And it seems to be uploading green, so maybe it's something on your end. So visit 3. What is the strike through in remark? Let's see, swizz.com blog. Look at the last blog because that's where I linked to all the node types. Cool. Available node types. Strike. Let's see. Parent, literal, thematic, break, block, quote, list, list item, table, table row, table cell, code, YAML, definition, text, emphasis, strong, delete. Yes, so it's a delete node. Delete, and we say strike. Function strike of node. Node type becomes text, and node value becomes Unicode transformer, strike. Come on, I know you have it in here somewhere. Scriptize, italicize, bolden. Seriously, it's not in there? Okay, then we're gonna skip that one because it's really not that important. We got the big ones done. So take that out. Run it again. Cool, so we got that. Now we need a readme file. Readme. And we are not gonna have... Okay, let's have the describe blah, remark-utf8. Oh, and in package JSON we say remark plugin to transform basic, what's it called? Basic markdown into special UTF-8 characters. Okie doke, so we got that. Readme. The readme is going to be very easy. Use Cannot read property contents of undefined. What? Oh. Okay, now it works. So git status, package JSON changed. Where's the README? Remark plugin to transform basic markdown into UTF-8 special characters. Useful for when you when your output isn't going into HTML. when your output is going into plain text, not HTML. Warning. Okay, so to make can't see dots happy, we're gonna add a warning. Warning. This messes with screen readers. Make sure you are okay with inaccessible text before using this. And we add an emoji. Cool. We're also gonna add an MIT license to it because we can. So we say usage, basic usage. Let's add a screenshot with my tweet. So let's see. Ah, there we go. This one. Nope. README is definitely not complete without an emoji. So we're gonna link to this. Now check this out. Tech letter app. This is an easy way to convert tweet links into images. It's going to work eventually. There we go. Copy image address, and we say like that. Cool. So we got that stuff done. Or it would be better if I use a tweet of announcing this. Okay. We can do that later. Okay, I do not know how to read that Cyrillic. Okie doke, so basic usage. My monthly AWS bill is about $10 and $15, and most of that is EC2, which I have to disable because I'm not using it. JavaScript, let's see. Remark use UTF-8. Use UTF-8 process markdown string error output console log output dot what was it dot contents console log output dot contents cool outputs something like so. We go here and we say const import UTF-8 from remark-utf8, import remark from remark, and then we say const markdown string equals look at me, I can tweet in bold, use emphasis wherever I wherever I want, and I can even include some code. I can even include some code. All right. Now let's take the code sandbox we built the other day. Or announcing remark-utf8. Remark-utf8. Woohoo! Remark-utf8 is now a standalone remark plugin. Use emphasis code font monospace fonts and anything else. Emphasis monospace fonts and bolds when you so wherever. Careful about those screen readers though. Bam. And we are going to add a link. So GitHub, let's see, GitHub, new repository, remark-utf8, remark plugin to transform blah, add a license MIT, create repository, just open sourced remark-utf8 as a standalone plugin. Use emphasis, monospace fonts, and bolds wherever. Careful about those screen readers though. Hey Dylan, how's it going? Okay, doke. Got that. Now let's paste it into my code sandbox here so that it's easy to get the actual text. Open in editor. Paste it here. Emphasis, monospace, fonts, and bolds wherever. Cool. So not sure why it's removing that, but bam. Okay, so now we have like a little chicken and egg problem, but that's okay. So get status, basic usage, output something like this. Enjoy, use responsibly. Okay, got it. So now we are going to push this out. Git status, git add dot, git commit -a-m, update readme, git push origin master, git pull, no, git remote add origin, and we are adding this thing. And it seems like we might not actually get to building a Gatsby front end for this, because I'm gonna have to go do other stuff, but we'll see. So we have this. Yeah, we're gonna build the Gatsby plugin tomorrow probably, and right now just open source this stuff. So let me change the title. At least I can do it on YouTube. I'm not sure about the others. Okay, so now I can tweet this. Open sourcing, oh, this shouldn't be here anymore. Open sourcing remark-utf8 and remark code screenshot. I guess it just updates. I don't have to save anything. Okay, so we push this out now. Git pull origin master. Git push origin master. Git merge origin master. Refusing to merge unrelated histories. Okay. Git checkout license from origin master. Git checkout origin master -- license. Oh, come on. Check out. Git status, git add license, git add dot, git commit -a -m, up set license, create license file, git push origin -u master. Let's see if that works. Force it. Cool. Awesome. Got that. Okay. Wonderful. So we have that now, which means we can tweet it out. So tweet, and now I can get that tweet and put it back in the README file. Okay. So we go back here. Aha. Okay. Whatever, that's good enough for me. So and we link it to the actual URL. Cool. Git commit -a -m, update README file, and we say npm publish. I need my phone for this part. Be right back. Okay, authenticator 738. Wonderful. So that's now on npm, and you can say git. Oh, and here you can say yarn add remark-utf8 or npm install remark -utf8. Cool. Git commit -a -m, update readme, git push origin master. Wonderful. So this is now on. Why isn't it working? this file? Is this link not live? This link should be working. So that's the screenshot. So why isn't it showing up here? P tag, href, image source. What the hell? Okay, so these images don't seem to be hot linkable or something like that. What if I upload the file, take it from here, add tweet screenshot, and then I can take this, edit, copy image address, I can put that in here, commit change, that should work. Okay, so that's working. We can add remark here, remark plugin, remark.js, markdown, key, Gatsby because we can, and remark is primarily used in Gatsby. That's like the main use case. Cool, so we have that. Put it here, done open source remark-utf8. Now let's do the screenshot one. So bam, got it. And we add, where were we? New, we're gonna say remark code screenshot, and this description says turn remark plugin to turn code blocks into carbon now sh screenshots. Cool, cd, and again we say nwb create project remark code screenshot. What do we call it? Yes, code screenshot. Yes, yep, okie doke. Remark code screenshot, and we say cp / markdown to tweet from, what's it called, source code screenshot transform goes into source index.js, and cp / markdown to tweet tests index test goes to tests. Then we open that one, so we say open remark-utf8 random coding remark code screenshot, and now we update this one so that we can open source this thing as well. Tests. Now we're going to need yarn add remark and fetch -mock. What else are we gonna need? Index.js. Make sure it's set to click-through mode. Cool, code screenshot, unist-util visit. Unist-util visit. Need that stuff. Okay, so that's working. It's going. While that's going, we can remove all of this stuff, and we say describe code blocks, and do this. And here we're going to borrow the approach we had for testing. So expect import remark from remark, and what did we say this would be called? Code screenshot. Code screenshot from source index, and we say remark dot use code screenshot dot process testing, and then function error output, and we say const result equals output dot contents, expect result equal blah, like that. So let's see if that works. So nwb new web module, build use for by no yarn test watch. Let's see if that passes. No, we have to go into nwb config and say karma browsers Chrome. So that means that our tests are running in Chrome instead of Phantom.js, which is very, very outdated by now. And let's see. Hopefully that passes. Sir Dimir, what kind of app am I building? So right now I'm building some underlying libraries that will then go into a thread app. So I want to build almost like a mini blogging platform that runs on top of Twitter. The idea is that you can, what is the idea? That's a good question. So basically you're going to be able to write a long piece of content and automatically have it spread over tweets so that it becomes a Twitter thread. But I'm having trouble making sure that it works. Or rather, right now I'm open sourcing the underlying libraries so that I have building blocks for building that app. I am not using DigitalOcean for hosting. I'm using some, I usually use Now.js or what's it called? Commit -a-m port implementation from markdown to tweet. So right, I use primarily Zeit for hosting, and I have some AWS Lambdas, and that's about it. Yarn test. Why is my test not running? Let's see, how is the test working here? Markdown to tweet. Let's see, tests, index test, blah, okay, bar, source, index.js, how is this doing it? Code screenshot, import code screenshot from source index, index exports default code screenshot. Something isn't working. So let's see what happens if we just console log hello world. Done. Okay, yarn test watch. Start the Chrome browser. It keeps starting, so why is this not actually working? Browsers Chrome, browsers Chrome. Is there anything I forgot to install package JSON. We said the description is remark plugin to transform code blocks into, oh, I know what we did wrong here, UTF8, say nwb build, npm version minor, git status, git push origin master -- tags, and we say npm publish. Git pull origin master, git push. So basically I have to make sure that the deployed stuff, like the published version, is actually what is like built from the latest source. Okay, so why is this not capturing Chrome? No captured browser. Okay, what happens if we just run this? So for some reason, I am using this keyboard. It's a the brand is called Truly Ergonomic, and it is like the best keyboard I have ever had. And I'm not sure why this thing isn't capturing my browser right now. Remark-code-screenshot, git status. Weird. What the hell is going on? Okay, what if we tell it to just not do anything and say describe hi, which is a method that says expect true. Let's see if that runs, because it's really weird that it's not managing to capture the browser. And honestly, I'm not sure what to do about that. Karma starts Chrome can't capture. Okay, so let's see, copy / remark-utf8 nwb config to dot, and it looks like that. Dependencies fetch mock, remark, unist, util, visit. Are there any other dev dependencies that we need? Remark-utf8, open package JSON. Remark, unist, util, visit. No, that should all work. nwb. Okay. The playlist is actually jazz vibes. I'm not sure if that counts as lo-fi or not, but that's what it is. Yarn test. That is very strange. So for some reason tests aren't running anymore. So we're going to just assume that it works and hope for the best, right? So let's go write out a, what's it called? Let's write out what was I going to write out? We are going to write out the, so this is actually going to, let's check out the various node options, and I want to change it to an actual image. Where are they? MDASD. Okay, MDASD. No, it's not Gatsby time yet. I'm going to image. Let's see, image. So type image, which has yields image with a URL. Okay, so node type is image, and node.url equals URL. Okay. So I'm gonna have that. Git commit -m update node type, git remote add, what is it? This one. Yeah, they're not necessary for a program to run, but it would be really great to know that the program is actually working. But let's just write the README similarly as we did before. So markdown plugin to convert remark plugin, remark plugin to convert code blocks into carbon now sh screenshots. Okay, and we have basic usage, and that's it. Oh, and we're going to copy the license file, remark-utf8 license to dot. Cool, basic usage goes like this. JavaScript, and we say import remark from remark, import code screenshot from remark code screenshot. Then we say const markdown input equals, let's take this one here that we have, where is it, index test, actually let's try to be super fancy. And we say, so we're gonna be tricksy little hobbitses. Join, no. How do we actually do this? Okay, so our markdown code is going to be self-referential. So it's going to do that, and we're going to say remark use code screenshot dot process markdown input function error output console log dot output, and yeah, we see what that does. So the markdown input is going to be all of this stuff. I wonder if that actually works. Remark use screenshot process console log blah. Okay. I think we have to do those to make it actually happy. Something like that. Hey today. And we're going to output the screenshot image. Cool. Outputs something like this. Okay, so git status, git add dot, git commit -a-m, update readme, and let's try actually how do we actually run this? Oh, right. The easy way is to do this. So go to the thingy like that, and we say remove that, remove that, remove all of that, process use, okay, and tip. Now this should turn into a screenshot. Awesome. Yay, okay, so that part worked. Okay, now what if we put all of this in there? Let's see. Like that. Okay, it updated the thing. Let's see if it actually got an updated screenshot. Where are we? Come on, screenshot, open up. Let's see. Yay. Yeah, they might be kind of clueless, but they have pretty good ideas sometimes. So we don't need these guys, even though I'm pretty sure that's gonna get confused. Okay. Okay, that kept updating. Let's see now. So I'm trying to get a clean screenshot that I can use for my tweet and stuff. Perfect. Okay, that's good enough for me. So we're gonna upload that. And let's see now. Bam, and we say git status, git commit -m, update readme some more, git push origin master. Then we're gonna go to master, upload the screenshot, and be happy about how everything works. So go here, and we say manage topics, remark plugin, remark.js, Gatsby markdown, done. Upload files, choose files, we're gonna do this one, commit change, seriously, choose files, screenshot, commit changes, and let's see, this one, edit, copy image address, wonderful. Cool. Okay, so that's that. Let's see now. So done. Open source remark code screenshot plugin. Bam. Okay. Bam. Boom. Just open sourced remark code screenshot as a standalone remark plugin. Take markdown code blocks and turn them into carbon now sh screenshots. A nice emoji, add an image and this thing. Okay, so the last step is to go to the remark plugins list here. Oh, I gotta also npm publish this. So nwb build and npm publish. Gotta take my OTP thingy. Okay. Cool. So that's there. Now let's see if we can edit this thingy, remark.js. Let's go add the plugins. Writing a non-technical book. I have thought about it. I'm not sure I have much non-technical things to talk about right now. So let's see, how does this work? remark-utf8 and we take remark minus utf8. Okay. Where is it? List call, blah. Editing. So utf8, that thing. Turn. What's it called? So turn bolds, italics, and code into UTF-8 special characters. Then we have, oh, that was remark UTF-8. That. So you remark ABCD. it goes down here. So that's UTF-8. And then, where are we? Here we say code screenshot, remark code screenshot, turn code blocks into carbon.now.sh screenshots. Cool. Proposing file change. How do we propose a file change? Update plugins MD, add remark-utf8 and remark code screenshot to list of plugins. Cool. And I guess that's it for today. Contributing guidelines. We're excited about pull requests, but please try to limit the scope, provide a general description of the changes, and remember it's up to you to convince us to land it. If this fixes an open issue, link to it in the following way. Hi, I just created two small plugins for Remark and thought they'd fit your list of existing plugins. Create pull request. Awesome. So yeah, right on time. We're gonna get into the Gatsby part tomorrow. I had no idea open sourcing this would take so long, but it makes sense for them to live as their own Remark plugins rather than being bundled together into one file, because this way people can actually use them for other things. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I get at least a couple of stars, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching. Cool.